Hey everyone, Roy here with another video, and today I actually want to show you something that I learned on CapCut Desktop. So this is how you can actually do animations in your text when you're doing captions on CapCut Desktop. And hey, if you're new here, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, go down in the comments and write "I subscribe" so that I can show you my appreciation because I appreciate it. Okay, let's get into it. Bear with me while I share my screen. Okay, so after you record a video, then you can come in here and you do you do text first, auto captions create, and it'll create your captions. It's really cool. Everything's captioned, right? But now you want to edit those captions because if you come over here and you look at them, they look kind of silly, right? So I like to change the font. So you do that right here. You can change it from system. I use this one. I just like the way it looks. And then I always do this little preset right here. Just kind of gives it an outline, makes it pop a little. Give it a second. And see this little checkbox? It says apply to all. So it applied it to all of my captions. See? But now, if you want to add some kind of animation, make it scroll, make it pop up, whatever. If you did that, it would only add the animation to the one that you had selected. And every once in a while, when you do this, it'll have them all selected, and you can do all the animation on all of them. But how do you do that if we're at this point, right? We edited the text, we made it look like we want it to look, right? Then how do you add the animation? Because if you come over here and you click on animation, you'll notice that little checkbox isn't there. It doesn't say apply to all. It's just not there. So what I learned is you can actually click and hold and create a box like this, and then you can select all these captions. Just select the captions. Don't select your video. Okay. See? Now there's all my captions. Now let's see how they have that little white line around them. Because if I click somewhere else, they're going to be unselected. See, now they're all unselected. Let's select them again. See, that little white outline means that they're selected. So we're going to drag all over here, and we're going to select all the captions. Okay. I don't know why it's going so slow this time. Oh, there we go. That's a little faster. Maybe we drag up there. Ah, whoo. Okay. Now they're all selected. Now we're going to go animation, and I like this little pop-up. Now it added that little, see the little arrow? It added that little animation to all of my captions. Done, done, and done. So if you are creating a video that you're going to post on YouTube or another platform, and you're using CapCut for desktop, which I think is awesome, then what you're going to want to do is, again, click on text, click on auto captions, create. It'll create your captions. From there, you're going to select one of the captions, and you're going to change the font, change the preset if you want to. You know, I think that it looks good, so, you know, mess around with it, make it however you want. You can color it, you can do all kinds of stuff in here, and it will apply to all. But then if you want to add a cool animation, then you have to select them all, and that's how you do it. You click and drag a box. So, hope you found this video helpful. It's one of the tools that I use in my online business, CapCut for desktop. I also use CapCut for my cell phone. I enjoy using it over there. And this is a little tip and trick to help you out if you're using CapCut for desktop. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And again, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that so you don't miss another video. I make videos every day on how to make money online, sometimes fixing stuff around the house. I got some jokes down in there, another playlist as well. I have daily motivation videos, and I also occasionally make videos on tips and tricks on tools that I use to help me online. Maybe it'll help you. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.